Hello, this is Molly from KLT. Today I will introduce YKT Series Hydraulic Press. This equipment is mainly suitable for pressing, trimming, punching, and drawing of small metal. It adopts European Advanced Technology Standard. Internal speed-up type fast hydraulic cylinder structure can form a high speed down, slow workload, high pressure, fast return to improve production efficiency. In order to protect the safety of workers, two hydraulic locks are installed on the slider. Safety light curtain protection devices are installed to ensure safety. The machine adopts standard cartridge wave system to control cylinder actions. Hydraulic waves are all made of Germany Rexroth series with oil cooler to ensure high working frequency. It also adopts international standard SAE card sleeve joint to prevent oil leakage. The CNC system adopts pressure and displacement sensors. Industrial touchscreen and PLC programmer can set, save, and edit program in the touchscreen. If you have interest, feel free to contact us. Thank you for your viewing.